Turn it on. Everything works right away. As it should be. You can adjust all settings here. Please. Everything is adjustable. You can even change colors. Very convenient house if you have, for example. There are already some effects. For example, blur. Here. If you have a hard one, Bloom just embeds your project. See. Let's say there is already something here, it is already being built in. Please. Here. Here's the transition to green. Please. It's all being recorded. You can, for example, turn on play and record. Please, anything you want will be recorded. See. Then you can also lose it all. A lot of effects. Please, what effects you want more or less, you can do as you like, you can change. Horizontally, you can add 4. You can reduce, increase. Let's do it right here. There are a lot of different people. Please see, there is everything you want, everything is there. If you have something worth it, please, it is being built. Please, if you like, that's if it's worth it, our effect is being built. It will go away, it will all remain. See how convenient it is. Everything is very convenient, please. Araktor Oblomev.